everybody, this is C. Welcome back. This is day 10 of the Custom Keto Diet Review. So let's get right into what I had to eat today. So for breakfast, one of my favorites, the keto breakfast crepe. And so this is how it looks on the website, and then this is our version of it. For lunch, so we tried something new. This was pretty cool. It's called Keto Mug Lasagna. And so this recipe called for zucchini, marinara sauce, some ricotta cheese, and also mozzarella cheese. And I think that's really it. So the system, tells you how to put it all together. This one really took no time at all to prepare. Once you have all the ingredients in the mug, you put it in the microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes, and that's it. And so this is our version on the right. We didn't have the little sprinkly oregano seasoning to make it look prettier, but it did taste good, and it was very filling, and it took no time at all. So I would definitely have that again. And then for dinner, this dinner was so delicious. Keto butter chicken, it's called. So we diced up some chicken breasts, and then it was like minced garlic, shallots, ginger, curry powder, tomato paste, butter, heavy cream, and some chicken stock. And then once it's all done, then you sprinkle some cilantro on for, some garnish on the top. But the mixture of all these flavors in this dish, it was really good. I will definitely have this again. It has a little bit of a kick to it, but not, it's tolerable. It's a tolerable spiciness, if you know what I mean. I really enjoyed this. I can't wait to make this again. This is definitely something I would have often. And that's actually the end of our day. I was so full from this meal alone, then that I didn't have a snack on this day. So stay tuned tomorrow. It's kind of a busy time for us because we're in the process of moving. So we're like packing up our house and getting ready to move into our other house. So we'll kind of keep you posted. I'm going to try to do like a day 11, but we'll see. Stay tuned to the channel. If you found value in this video, click the subscribe button. And if you want to know more about the Custom Keto Diet, please click the link below. And we'll see you all real soon. Thank you.